A very warm morning to everyone. Some of my friends, relatives, neighbors ever ask me this question: what is happiness? If we want to be happy in our life, what will play a major role? What things are responsible for it? What should we have for it? An extremely expensive, comfortable car, a spacious bungalow having all modern amenities, bank balance having huge amount, huge land property, government job, maybe all of them, but in what proportion? Now, according to me, happiness is just the basis of the quality of life we live here. The quality of life we live here is not determined by the clothes we wear, the family background we come from, the educational qualification we have, the bank balance we have, the social status we have. The quality of life depends upon how peaceful, how joyful we are within ourselves. Fundamentally, happiness means a certain level of enthusiasm, a certain level of joyfulness, a certain exuberance of life. Science and technology has brought an extreme amount of comfort and convenience to our life. Things we could not imagine 25 years ago, 30 years ago are existing reality today. Now question arises here: are we truly happy? Answer is no. Every creature on this planet, from plants to animals, have paid an enormous price to create these comforts and conveniences to our life. But we are not even happy. The Almighty has bestowed all of us with many assets: our body, our family, our resources, our social status, our set of skills and knowledge, but still we are not happy. Frequently, we sideline these, we underestimate these, we think a thought, we develop a thought and say, I am not happy just because of this and that. My neighbor doesn't behave me well, that's why I am not happy. Circumstances and situations are not favorable for me, just because of that I am not happy. Whatever I want, it doesn't happen. Whatever I want, it doesn't happen, so I am not happy. My neighbors, relatives, friends have lot of money and assets, but I don't have. That's why I am not happy. Now I want to tell you, just imagine your childhood. Every moment of your life was filled with, full of ecstasy, extreme pleasure, joy, enthusiasm. That time we didn't have so much wealth, comfort and amenities. Now I want to ask a question. Do you think a man who is driving a BMW car is more happier than the man who is walking on the street? Answer is no. In fact, we create negative thoughts inside our soul and we blame the external environment for them. Our soul is seeking joyfulness because we all are the parts of this ocean of bliss. That's why I want to tell you, happiness is not decided what we have. Happiness depends upon how peaceful, how joyful we are within ourselves. We will be happy if we cleanse our hearts. We will be happy if we pure our minds. We will be happy if we become a best person inside. We will be happy if we stay away from disdain, abuse, hatred, greed, discord, feud and anger. We will be happy if we choose compassion, complacency, sympathy, generosity, gratitude, thankfulness and love. So choose right path and live with dignity. May the Almighty bless you. Thank you very much.